No way, Megan.
It's really bad to say like the N-word. She said it over there, and I was like, yeah, kind of. Hey guys, beach day! May 28th, 9:08 a.m. I ran all the way to school. I woke up at, I don't know, like 8:40. Got here at 8:50. I don't live 10 minutes away. Anything to say? Any updates?
No, I'm impressed on how she ran like 5 miles in 2 minutes.
Whatever. I'm just a runner now. It's chill. Alexa made it to the beach. Woo! Antonio made it to the. I made it to the beach. Let's go take a look at our friend building a sandcastle. Josh.
Marvelous day.
Josh is digging his hole. Let's zoom up on the people. I'm zooming on Jacob Brown. Jacob! That's Connor. That's Jacob Brown. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hold it. Taylor, are you excited for a side question? I'm so excited.
Hey guys, vlog update. We are making bracelets. So we got strings. We got a fun thing. We got Ashton. Oh, it's upside down, girl. Let's go see our friend. So
Use your leg.
Antonio's getting it out. Antonio's in the hole. Wait, then where's Josh? Oh, wait, he's right in front of me. Oh my god. Antonio's in the hole.
Look at what the fuck is happening right now.
Yeah, what would you rather?
Brady Pearl. Brady Pearl, zoom in. He is back in the hole.
Yo, Max! I'm gonna get tight.
We're having some beef over the hole right now. Oh my god! We have another person in the hole. Wadey pool. Wait, it's upside down. No, it's mostly right side up.
What's up, vlog? Here we go. Look who it is. Wait, is it recording? Look who it is. It's Ashton and Finn, the octopus. What the hell? No shot. And there's Lizzie. Oh, Sophie has requested my presence. Can I vlog this? Penis, balls, dick. My room is covered in jizz.
And we are inviting you to a party next Saturday instead of the zip tie party.
The theme is dye Noah Emmett's hair.
That's actually the theme.
But he doesn't know about it.
The theme is dye Noah Emmett's hair.
That's not happening.
The theme is dress up as your all. Look at her.
What does that say?
Wait. What?
What does it say?
Wadey pool.
Hey vlog, you guys, it's Friday, March 31st. May 31st. May 31st. Look at my dog. This is me. Wait. It's crowded. This is me. So that's not what I wanted. Gonna let the light shine on me. There's no need to hold it in. No more high. Hello everyone, we are at Universal. We're here. Okay. Look. We're so excited. This is our first time ever at Universal. Nemeth is on the phone. He's trying to find our buddies. Bennett. We got Boa Bennett in the house, and we got someone singing a Taylor Swift song for some reason over there.
They are not here. They were lying.
So our friends aren't here. We're gonna go either find a snack or go on a ride.
We should
Yeah.
wait for people. Do we need tickets?
I don't want to wait.
Can I do this?
It won't take my goddamn.
Wait, let me get mine. Wait, let me show you my candy first.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I won't film that.
You're gonna smile.
I'll keep it private. A picture?
I want a picture.
You want a picture? Okay. I'll take your picture. In line for giraffes. I'm gonna hand the camera back and see what people have to say.
Get in. He's the cameraman. Hi, what's up? This is Dean. I'm at Jurassic Vision. Right here. Oh, hi. That's Jenna. That's Noah. John Kaplan. It's a good ride. Yes. It's a good ride. Let's go. Yes. Vlogging now. I feel so vloggish.
You vlogish?
Yeah. Hi. I'm totally vlogging. Right.
When does Man Needs Lego 2 come out?
Man Needs Lego 2, June 14.
Hey guys,
The winner,
we just did Jurassic. Feeling fun.
our summer. Oh, we added.
Grad night, yes. We got these cool passes. Later, I think we're having a silent disco right here, something. So, I don't really know.
Blurry. That's okay.
I don't really know where we're going right now. Oh my gosh, this is so magical. Wait, this is like so beautiful. Oh, why is it not? Oh, I totally forgot I can read. Oh, look at this man. Oh my god. I cannot be in the same room as him.
Whose phone is that? Josh's new one. Oh wait, actually. Oh, that's fire. New one.
Are you recording?
Yeah, that's a vlog. Yeah, look at this. It's like Inception.
Stop filming me. Stop.
All right, all right.
You can film me all you want. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, man? What's up? I'm out here with my buddies.
Do you want to see yourself?
Yeah, I love seeing myself. I'm with Josh Albert right now, guys. I'm with his whole family, and we're hugging. No, stop. Stop. I can't do this. I don't like you anymore. I don't like you anymore. What's up, vlog? It's Ashton Bullish, joined by Josh Albert in the back, taking a nap. It's grad night, motherfuckers. Grad night. There he is, my boyfriend, Aiden Service. What a guy. How we feeling? Oh, I love this guy. There we got my homie Alexa.
Keela has no shoe.
Keela has no shoe.
Aiden, give
The
me my
dog
shoe.
around. Bark, bark.
He just took her shoes
She
off.
took her shoes off.
They took my shoe for the third time.
Keela,
Please give it back.
I'll give you a riddle for it.
Please give me it back. Aiden, I'm actually.
Find your shoe in a place of beauty.
Dude, give me my shoe. Give me it back.
Did you hear my riddle?
Give me my. I don't want it. Give me my shoe back, please. Aiden, I'm actually so annoyed with you. Wait, listen.
She found it. Yay! Yay, Keela! In Paris. In Paris.
cakes.
I have to bleep that one out.
You see me giving him back shots?
We're doing an outro. It's 1:26 a.m. 1:26. Technically, it's a new day. It's June 1st, 2024. Happy Pride Month, guys. Happy Pride Month. We usually don't do an outro, but we're doing one for this one. Senior night outro. Happy. It's been so great. It's been so fun. It's been so amazing. Happy grad night. Happy grad night. Happy grad night. We love you guys so much. Hoot hoot.
Who are you talking to?
My future kids.